Cargo ships weigh hundreds of thousands of tons, yet they move smoothly across oceans. Today, we're breaking down ship propulsion systems, how they're installed, how power flows, and why alignment is everything. Ships need continuous power, extreme reliability, and efficiency over long distances. That's why propulsion systems are massive, but precisely engineered. Power flows through a reduction gearbox into a long propulsion shaft, and finally to the propeller. Bearings support the shaft, while seals prevent seawater from entering the hull. Installing propulsion systems begins in the engine room. Engines are mounted on foundations designed to absorb vibration. Shaft alignment is performed with extreme precision. Even small misalignment causes wear and energy loss. The propulsion shaft runs through multiple compartments. Bearings keep it centered and stable. At the stern, the propeller converts rotation into thrust. Efficiency depends on perfect alignment. Most propulsion failures start with vibration, bearing wear, or poor lubrication. These problems often trace back to installation quality. AI simulations allow engineers to predict vibration, thermal expansion, and load distribution before installation. Problems are corrected digitally, long before ships go to sea. Ship propulsion systems are massive, precise, and unforgiving of mistakes. Behind every smooth voyage is careful engineering. Subscribe to MechWorks AI for real mechanical systems powered by AI.